Okay, thank you for joining us for this video. We're continuing to look at our Google Classroom 101 series, and we've gone through several different steps so far. In some of our other videos, we've looked at creating your class, adding students, creating assignments and questions and all of those types of things, grading assignments, what it looks like from the student view. So all of those have been covered in other videos. This video is looking at your About page, which is your informational page for your classroom. And so in order to do that, we're going to switch from our stream up here and go over to our About tab. And of course, here across the top, you see the name of the course. If we click over here, we can edit that and change that as needed. If we want to add a class description, we can do that. Where does the class meet? So if this is in room 125, we could put that in there. We could put which campus it's at, all that type of information there. So that's pretty self-explanatory there. The next thing we're going to do is start to add some class materials to it. And so the first thing I want to do is add the syllabus. So I'm going to give the document a title, and then I've got the syllabus saved in my Google Drive. So I'm going to go out, fetch it, and right here you can see here's my syllabus. Of course, this is an older version. I would want to update it and make sure that it's corrected, but I just wanted to pull one in so that you could see it. And then, of course, if we wanted to add more materials to this, if we had an introductory video or anything like that, we could add that as well, or a video that explained the syllabus a little bit more. If you wanted to record yourself going through that, that's definitely a possibility. We can add other attachments and other links that are relevant to it. But for now, we're just going to add the syllabus to it. So we're going to hit Post, and that's going to add that to our About page. Some other information that might be helpful on your About page would be links back to your school website, or if you use resources like Remind or Twitter or a Facebook page or whatever, you could put all that type of information here. All right, so I want to switch over and show you what that looks like from the student view. So I'm back on my student account. I'm going back to my home page, my stream, and now I'm going to click on the About page. And of course you can see that syllabus is there. And if you notice over here, there's a section for your work, and then there's also this class drive folder. And so that's where I can get to other information that the teacher has placed in there. So I can see who the teacher is for this course, but I'm going to click on my syllabus. And so I've always got access to it. But notice I've got view only access. So that's one thing that you'll want to remember on what you put in the About page. You give access to view it, but if you want them to edit, you're going to have to put it in as an assignment or as an announcement or something like that. Assignment is where you're guaranteed to give them edit rights. And so you can see there's important information in the syllabus, and all of that is vital to it. But anyway, that is the basics of the About page. I mean, we can add more information here if we want to. We can keep adding materials. So as we go throughout the semester, if there's more that's required there, we can add that. Or if we need to come back in and edit this, we can edit it. Add more to this post here. I'm not going to, so I'm going to hit cancel. But that's really the basics there. So thank you for watching, and we've got more to come.